Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off notifications from settings on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off notifications from settings on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on System. Now click on Notifications and scroll down. Here you will find notifications from apps and other senders, and settings is here. And now notifications from settings is turned on. Just click here to turn it off. Notifications from settings on Windows 11 computer is turned off. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.